I don't have to tell you, this is not Pete. What a mess. This dude need to stop it. I'm not even gonna say who it was. Oh my God. Y'all leave it in the comments. I'm gonna leave this up to y'all. Oh my God. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Let me zoom in on that. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. What did he say? If you ain't got nothing nice to say, don't say nothing at all. So I ain't gonna say I ain't gonna say nothing at all. I'm gonna let y'all do it in the comments. Oh my God. Oh. Oh. This should be this guy should give lessons on how not to TIG weld. Stop it, Daddy, stop it.